Hi, now let us see about instruction set part 2, that is logical instructions. What a logical instruction means, it performs logical operations like and or XOR. Now let us see the various types of instruction in this instruction set. The first instruction is AND operation. Its syntax is represented as AND destination comma source. That is, the source register content is multiplied with destination register content, and finally the resultant is stored in the destination register. This is the actual process taken place in this instruction. And now let us see the example for this AND of cx comma square bracket si. That is, the content present in this memory location is multiplied with cx register content, and finally the resultant is pushed into the cx register. The flags affected during this operation are cf and OF are 0, PF, SF and ZF are updated, and AF is undefined. And see the next instruction to perform OR operation. OR means addition. So we have to add two numbers and copy a result into the destination register. Its syntax is OR of destination comma source. See the example OR of AH comma CL. That is, the content present in CL register is ORed with content present in AH register, and finally the resultant is stored in the AH register. The flags conditions are carry and the overflow are 0, parity sign 0 flag are updated, and auxiliary flag is undefined. And then the next instruction is XOR of destination comma source. It performs XOR operations between source and destination, and resultant is stored in destination. See the example XOR of CL comma BH. That is, the content present in BH register and CL register are XORed, and the resultant is stored in the CL register. The flag condition are same as the before instruction. And the next instruction is NOT gate. It only asks the destination and not the source. So we have to specify only one register. See the example NOT of BX. That is, the content present in BX register is not. Not means we have to invert. Then we have to push it into the same register. It does not affect the any flag. And the next instruction is negation. Negation is also quite similar to not. So we have to use only destination register. The flags condition are AF, PF, ZF and OF are updated. And see the next instruction, what it means, compare of destination comma source. That is, we have to compare the content of two register, and we have to represent what is the result of the comparison. That is, if it is greater or lesser or equal. See the instruction, compare of AL comma 01H. What we have to do? We have to compare 01H with the content present in AL. Suppose I am taking AL is equal to 03 means what it result? 03 is greater than 01. Okay, suppose I am taking CX is equal to 01 means these two content are same. If I am taking lesser means the result becomes lesser. So we have to compare the two content, and we have flag manipulation instruction. Then now let's see about each type of instruction present in flag and what are the functions of each instruction. The first instruction is set carry flag. It is used to set the carry flag as 0. And the next instruction is clear carry flag, CLC. What is the usage means? It resets the carry flag as 0. And the next instruction is complement carry flag. That is, the content present in the carry flag is complemented, inverted. And the next instruction is set direction flag. It is used to set the direction flag as 1. And the next instruction is clear direction flag. It is used to reset the direction flag as 0. And the next instruction is STI, that is set interrupt flag. It is used to set the interrupt flag as 1. The next instruction is clear interrupt flag. It indicates the interrupt should be resetted. That is, it should be taken as 0. And the next instruction is LAHF. That is, copy the low byte of flag register to AH register. What is the operation taken place means this instruction copies the low byte of the 8086 flag register to AH register. And see the next instruction SAHF. It is used to store, that is copy AH register content to low byte of flag register. It replaces the low byte of 8086 flag register with a byte from the AH register. LAHF means load, SAHF means for storing purpose. Okay, then we move on to next instruction set, that is classification between stack, input, output and miscellaneous. See at the left side of the table indicates the syntax of instruction, and right side we have taken the example. The first instruction is push source, that is we have to use only source register. See the example, push of BX. What we have to do means we have to put the content into the BX register. Then what is the pop operation means? You have to use only destination register. So the example is taken as pop of DX. Push means we are inserting the data into the stack, and pop means we are taking out the data from the stack. These two are stack related operations. Then see the next instruction, push F. It copies a word in the flag register. And see the next instruction, pop F. It is used to restore a word from the flag register. And then we move on to input output instruction. The syntax of in is represented as in accumulator comma port address. We have to give port address in port, and accumulator means you have to use the accumulator register. See the example, in of AX comma 34H. Here 34 is a port address, and this address is into the accumulator register. And what is out means? Its syntax is represented as out port comma accumulator. That is, we are taking data out from the processor. So we have to use port address at first and then accumulator content. It is represented as out 3BH comma AL. And the next instruction is halt. For halting the processing, this instruction is used. The next instruction is NOP. It specifies no operation in the processor. And then we move on to next classification of instruction, that is rotate instruction. For performing rotation and shifting operations, we are using this type of instructions. Now we can see the simple instructions only. Okay, first instruction is ROL. ROL means rotate left. Its syntax is represented as ROL destination comma count. We have to give count like 1, 2. Now how many times we have to rotate. That thing is given in the count. Okay, see the example, ROL BX comma 1. BX is a 16-bit register, 1 is a count. So we have to rotate once. What is the operation means? Here at first the LSB bit is moved to MSB, and then the MSB is moved to LSB, and the content present in MSB is moved to CF flag. That is, we should not rotate the carry flag. This is specified in this instruction. And then we move on to next instruction, RCL. Okay, that is rotate along with carry. Before instruction specifies rotate with left without carry. This instruction specifies rotate with carry. So we have to rotate along with carry. Its syntax is RCL destination comma count. The example is RCL X comma 1. So I am specifying the diagram as LSB content is moved to MSB, MSB is moved to carry flag, and then carry flag is again moved to the LSB. Okay, that's all about rotate instruction present in 8086. Thank you.